Good day, this is Madhu Kodidala. Today I came with a new topic, how to calculate the net worth in a right way. So everybody willing to evolve their financial stability to the next level by understanding the exact root causes of the wealth. Here I'm decoded every aspect of wealth net worth. So how to identify the exact calculation and what are the major aspects of net worth and how it will be calculated and what are all the characteristics are there to identify the exact meaning of a net worth and how it will be calculated in a right way. So I clearly decoded everything. Please go and have a clear visibility of the entire net worth calculation. Then why wait, go and dive about the calculation of the net worth. This is Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert and lifestyle coach. I'm on a mission to empower 1 million working professionals and entrepreneurs to build the wealth in a phased manner and achieve the desired wealth within the stipulated time frame by understanding the root causes of the wealth. That's why I created the root analysis wealth model. I'm the founder of a root analysis wealth model. The courses are undergoing, and just go and visit my website www.madhukodidala.com. If you dive the video, if you see the video till the end, I'm giving one free ebook worth 3,999 rupees, which is absolutely free for you. So please listen this total video, have a clear visibility of this video, and have an evolve your skills to the next level in the space of wealth by understanding the exact net worth of yours. If you find this if this is useful for you, please share this video to your concerns, those who want to evolve their net worth, evolve their financial stability, evolve their net worth informations to the next level. So identifying those things is major important to build a wealth in a phased manner. So we need to identify the exact meaning of a net worth. So how to calculate the net worth? So the net worth calculation is major important. How we calculate and why we calculate the major informations to be rooted in a such a way. We need to identify the first, what is net worth and net worth means to you. What is net worth and net worth means to you. So what are all those informations about wealth? So here I am just giving the total golden nuggets about the net worth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I characterize the total 6 frameworks which has been clearly decoded. So exact meaning of the net worth is net worth. What is exact meaning of the net worth, and what are all the tangible assets, and what are all the non-tangible assets, and what are all the liabilities, and what is the exact meaning of the net worth calculations, and what the action you want to take about. So these are all the major 6 things what I am going to describe in detail information about the net worth. So first we'll go to the net worth section. What is the exact meaning of a net worth? Net worth is assets total, what you have a total assets minus liabilities. Liabilities are total loans. That is, what are all the assets you have and what are all the liabilities you have. That has to be characteristics in such a way where assets should be decoded as minus and the total liabilities should be decoded as a minus stabilities. So those are the major important characteristics. So what is the assets is tangible assets, which is visible assets. So what are all the visible assets are called as tangible assets, and the liabilities are, everybody knows that every individual, every business person, every investor having a loans. So whatsoever the loans you have, that is to be included in this liabilities. So this is the major formula what we need to identify. Net worth equal to assets minus liabilities. Assets minus liabilities. Assets is a tangible assets, that is a visible assets. In detail information in the next tab I'm going to give the informations to you, and the liabilities are loans. And the next topic is what is the exact meaning of a tangible assets, that is visible properties. What you have the visible properties, that is first foremost things. What are the any constructed house properties there in your name, any commercial buildings or any commercial properties are there for your individual name or for your family, whether the property is in your father name or your any particular well-wisher's name. Well-wishers means in your family only. And what are all the properties on your name of agriculture lands, and what are all the agriculture lands are decoded, agriculture lands are in your name or your spouse or in your children. So in your own family members, what are the exact lands are there, agriculture lands, and the vehicles, commercial vehicles, personal vehicles, whatsoever the vehicles you have, that is also the asset for you. And the gold, so in our Indian families, most of the valuable asset is gold. So we don't have a cash, but the gold is definitely every individual must have. So gold is also is a major asset of our individuals. So gold is also is a major asset. And the next thing is stocks and the mutual funds. Stocks and mutual funds, whatsoever the investment you are made till now, that particular stocks, whether it is individual script, whether you are invested in a mutual fund, whatsoever the amount you have, that is also either visible property, that is under tangible assets. And also the furnitures and fixtures, whatever the property you have purchased any sofas, any big any costlier items in a homemade, whether it is a constructed interiors, it has been manufactured by any foreigner company, or internal any interior designers, you have maintained that furniture, sofas, dining tables, whether a big LED TVs, whatsoever the fixtures you have maintained in your interiors, that's all comes under this furnitures and fixtures. This is also a major assets of yours, but there is a depreciation in details. I'm giving the conceptual knowledge about the furnitures and fixtures. Just in detail you want, you just go and subscribe my YouTube channel. There I have a clear in description details about furniture and fixtures are there. So and the next thing is, if in an industrial business, there is a tangible assets, that is separate meaning, there is a raw materials and also finished goods. So raw materials also it will be considered as a tangible assets. It will be considered as an asset. So in the finished goods is also considered as a tangible assets. It is an also major assets what you want to write. So if you want to identify the exact assets, how much assets do you have, you just have a clear picture about all these informations. What is the value of the house, what is the commercial building value of the particular property, what is the agriculture land value, what is how many cars you have, what is the current value of that particular cars, and how many commercial vehicles you have, whether that particular commercial vehicles, what is the current value. So everything you need to write down, and also how much gold you have, and when you purchase the gold, and what is the current value, how many units of gold you have. So you just maintain every clearly, whether you have 100 tulas, 200 tulas, or 500 tulas, even if it has a 2 tulas also, you just write down in a separate column, so that you can clearly identify what is the exact meaning of a gold, exact value of a gold. So and the stocks also, everything you need to write down, the value has to be write down, whether you have 1000 rupees also, your paying every month 1000 rupees, SAP is also just write down, that is an also asset. Mutual funds, one time investment is also it is an asset. If you are maintaining a 20,000 rupees every month is also an asset. If you are paying 1 lakh rupee every month is also an asset. So everything you are maintaining is also an asset. Please understand all these things and have a clear picture about information of tangible assets of yours, so that you have a invisible things, what is my current value of assets is there. So if it is industrial business also, I think you have taken some personal amount and you have invested in that particular business, that is raw materials you have purchased, and also the finished goods you have purchased, everything in the industrial sector, that is also considered as an asset. So I think you have a clear picture about the assets. If you have if you are okay with these total information about tangible assets, go and comment below. I understood the tangible assets meaning, and I understood the total tangible assets what is called. So just understood the tangible asset, just write down a comment, that's it. Thank you. And just will dive into the next thing, non-tangible assets. The non-tangible assets are non-visible properties. That is, non-visible properties are the non-tangible assets. What it is called? So here I decoded everything: trademarks, patents, copyrights, brand, sometimes it will be goodwill. So what is the name in our society, what is it will be goodwill is also is a non tangible assets. And in digital platforms like what I am saying, what I am doing now, it is a educational content is also is a non tangible asset. It is also asset for me because it will be invisible, but there is a value in that one. So there is also considered as a non tangible asset. And the softwares what you built, the softwares what you built is also non tangible assets. And the blueprints of whatsoever the companies you have, you are managing any blueprints, it is also considered as a non tangible property. So, and the example just I am giving here is what are the exact, just for your clear picture, Google company, it's a www.google is there, that is a non tangible asset. Apple company is also, but I am not talking about asset, I am talking about a brand value. So Apple is also is a non tangible asset. Facebook is also non tangible asset. And non visible values of all these things, no visible values of all these things considered to be as a non tangible assets. Non visible properties are considered as a non tangible asset. You just go and write all these things in your separate journal, so that you have a clear picture about what are all the exact meaning of a non tangible assets. I'm giving one minute time, just 30 to 40 seconds time of yours, so that just write down what are the non tangible assets, what are the tangible assets. If it is good, you just I understood what is the exact meaning of a non tangible asset. Just have a given, please give the comment in the description below, so that I can understand. I'll give the reply of each and every person of yours of understanding of the things. And if any queries about these things, you just reply to me, Madhu connect@madhukodidala.com. My mail is there. Just have a draft so that I can reply within 24 hours to you. So these are all the major non tangible assets. And just coming to till now you have understood what is a net worth, what is a tangible assets, what is a non tangible assets. And here I am going to exact meaning of a liabilities. Liabilities called as loans. What it is? Liabilities called as loans. The loans, how many loans you have? So whether it is a home loan, or a loan against a property, or a car loan, or commercial loans, or an educational loans, and mutual funds, business loans, or OD, CC and TL. What is OD, CC, TL? OD is meant for overdraft loan, CC is for cash credit loan, and TL is for term loan. So for business loans, these are the categories where the banks will issue the loans to every individuals or entities. So these are the loans, OD, CC and TL. So just these are all the considered as a liabilities of your things. And consumer loans, any consumer loans or educational loans, or consumer loans means you purchased one laptop, you purchased an iPhone, any luxury items you purchased. So all considered as a consumer loans. You purchased a TV, you purchased laptop, you purchased any oven, you purchased any value of value which is to be used in your home. So all those considered as a consumer loans. So these are all the characteristics, ideas of liabilities of considered to be as a loans for your individuals. So please write down all these things. How much home loan I have 60 lakhs rupees, car loan I have at 20 lakhs rupees, education loan I have, if it is zero, it is zero, let it be, no problem. Or if anybody is having an education loan, just write down 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs rupees. If you have any business loans, how much allowance, just write down how much overdraft, be specific. How much overdraft is there, how much term loan is there, how much cash credit is there. You just write down, be specific. And how much consumer loans you have, be specific. You just write down in separate journal so that you have a clear picture about the liabilities. So I ask you to write down in the tangible assets, how much value, and the liabilities, how much value. So just have a clear picture. In one paper you just write down the tangible assets, in other paper you just write down liabilities. So then we can go and dive into the exact meaning of the net worth calculation. So exact net worth calculation is all tangible properties minus liabilities equal to net worth. So exact meaning of a net worth is all tangible assets minus liabilities, that is all your loans, equal to the simple formula, that is a net worth. So example, all your tangible assets, example I'm giving, if you have a total tangible assets, whether it is home, commercial property, cars, gold loan, mutual fund, stocks, everything put together, every amount of your individual, of your firm, anything is total amount will be considered as, example I'm giving, considered as a 10 crores rupees. and the total loans, whether it is a loans or home loan, education loan, car loan, commercial loans, business loans, whatsoever the loans, all loans put together is 4 crore rupees. All types of what is mentioned in liability section is also all the considered to be as a loans in liabilities, and these are the two things. So that is exact net worth calculation is tangible properties minus liabilities, assets minus liabilities equal to net worth. That is, if your example I given as 10 crores as a tangible assets, liabilities as 4 crores rupees of any individual person, 10 crores minus 4 crores equal to 6 crores, that is your net worth. So 6 crores is a positive net worth. So you are in a safe zone, you are in a safe hands of your financial wealth, you are a wealthy guy. So every individual person should have a positive only. If you are in a negative, you need to work on your assets area. You have to be definitely work on your assets area. So please go and have a clear information about these things, about what is tangible assets, what is non-tangible assets, what are the liabilities are there. If these three things are remembered in your brain, definitely you can able to see the magic in your life. Definitely you can have a clear picture about your financial status, how I am and what status, at what stage I am, so that definitely you can able to grab any information about your financial space, so that what positive I need to get, what negative I have to go, and what type of expenses I am incurring, what type of liabilities I am having, what type of positivities I am getting. So every information is to be rooted in our brains and rewire ourselves, so that you can able to manage everything in a life. So please understand these three symbols tasks what I am giving you. One is major things. First, you just write down all tangible assets values in one sheet, and all loans, liabilities, all types of loans write in one separate sheet, and what is the total value of assets, what is the total value of loans, you just minus, that is a net worth of your individual. So if you have a clear picture about these things, definitely just to work on about assets category, and try to reduce the liability section. And also take the liabilities in such a way where you can enhance the assets value. So I'm giving the information to you. Take the loans, but the positive information, the positive trend, the positive cash flow has to be come to attain the assets, so that is a good category. So you have to be very clear about what is a good debt and what is a bad debt. In the liability section, if you want a clear information about a good debt and bad debt, go and view my separate video is there. Just have a clear picture about the things, about this area of good debt and bad debt. So I think you have clear information about what is exact meaning of a net worth and what is exact net worth means to you. Just go and give the comments below what you understood about this video, whether it is useful to you. If it is yes, have a comment yes, and if it is useful to your well-wishers also, just share this video to your well-wishers, and have a clear information about the exact meaning of a net worth. So please understand, and I'm giving the one action part to you. If you really want to evolve your skills in the space of wealth, go and visit my website www.madhukodidala.com. Again I'm telling to you, go and visit my website www.madhukodidala.com. So madhukodidala.com, go and download the free ebook worth 3,999 rupees, which is absolutely free. I'm giving to you, those who are into my community, those who are into my email list, those who are into my video list, so that you can my community has to be brave enough, my community has to be evolve to the next level in the space of wealth. That's why I'm creating these valuable informations. Those who doesn't know, no person in the market, no person in the society will give this type of content free of cost. So please share, support my video. Please share the total informations about any clarity about any things, so that you have a clear picture about any informations. Thank you very much. This is Madhu Kodidala. Please, I'm again reiterating you, please visit www.madhukodidala.com. All the links are there. Just go and join. If you want to join my VIP Facebook channel, Root Analysis for Wealth and Personality, go and join. And also my WhatsApp group is there for individuals, those who want to evolve in the space of wealth. And also Telegram group is also created only for those who want to really evolve, or those who want to really build their financial stability, those who want to really debt free in their life. I just created. Go and join and have a share this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.